Okay, my honey. So, for my understanding today, I want to make a crab casserole. Y'all know I'm Black Anissa, whatever. So when I go to my all-you-can-eat restaurant, okay, Chinese restaurant, this is a meal that be there that I am so in love with. And since it's my daughter's birthday and we're gonna do a seafood boil, I feel like this is going to be what I'm going to make with the boil. Now, I don't know if I'm going to break this down into segments, like this to be one cooking with Kells and then another cooking with Kells, but I'm making at least 3-4 things today. So this is just one of them, and we're going to get started with this. So I got the glass bowl. That's where everything is going into. I got the mozzarella because it be cheesy and good, and I feel like that mozzarella mixing with that cream cheese, that's what made it good. Now I got some celery, and then I got the green onion, okay? So that's all going in. And then I got these 2 crab things. So they saying that this is the claw of the crab, okay? And then they saying that it's real crab. So I don't know, my honeys, but I did so happen to get both packs because I know that if this ain't real, then it ain't nothing but imitation like this one. So we can mix it, but I also was gonna add some shrimp, okay? So I had got these little shrimp, but I don't know. These are the size. They're not big, but they are big enough, okay? And I was just gonna put them in the casserole, so it doesn't even matter. It's not like I need to see them. I know I'll taste them, okay? Then I just picked this up from Walmart. I don't know what to call it, baby, but I love me some sriracha. I just got on to sriracha for at least about going on 6 months now. But they talking about a sriracha mayo, okay? Because this little recipe, from my understanding, has mayo in it. Now, y'all know that this is Miracle Whip, so this is like sweet. But the actual, like, Hellmann's mayo is salty. It's not sweet at all. So this is just sweet. This is what I had. I wasn't going to buy any more. And then I got this too with on the mayo side. But I don't know if I'm going to mix this completely in there. I may put this on top when I'm completely done and put it on top of my meal. So let's just jump right into it, my honeys. So I have taken this out the can. And they are real. They definitely are real. So we won't even use the imitation, my honey. So what we're going to do is just cut up our stuff. I had some cream cheese already had. You really want this stuff to be room temperature because it's so hard to work with when it's solid like that. So you do that. Cut that off. Cut off all that white. I'm just making little slices. I know I need some more of that. I'm no professional cutter, my honeys, but I do know the key to a good cutting and smoothly is a good knife. Real good sharp knife. That means you have to be real careful.
Is that one? I don't know.
You can always put this cream cheese in the microwave and zap it. Just zap it for like a couple seconds, 10 seconds. My cream cheese. So this cream cheese was like a half, really a half a stick for real, but I feel like I got so much ingredients, I would use a whole one. This mayonnaise, I am eyeballing it, okay? You know how you make tuna, you eyeball everything. That's what I would do. Okay, I don't really care for mayonnaise, so you know. Nah, you're supposed to go. Oh yeah, one more ingredient we're missing, guys. I'm just smashing this cream cheese up because you want this stuff mixed well. I do have more cream cheese if I feel like it ain't creamy enough for me. This shouldn't even take long to bake, my honeys. You want to bake it till that cheese melt, because for real, that crab meat is done. These shrimp are done. Like, we don't really need to cook this for real. That is looking good already. It's a lot of meat in here, my honey, so I may want to add some more vegetables, okay? Just to even it out. I want to add some more cream for sure. I want it creamy, and then don't forget we're adding mozzarella cheese. If I didn't show you, I'm going to shred it myself. Y'all know that Worcestershire sauce stuff. Don't give me the lie, but a little dab of that. I eyeballed it. This stuff really ain't good to me, okay? I think that they use this stuff to mix it with other stuff and then it makes it good for real, but it's not my thing, like to just put on food. It puts you in the mind frame of steak sauce. I do like steak sauce. You want to taste your celeries in here too, my honey. You don't want to, like some people don't like celery. I really don't care for it. But I know for sure that when it's baked and all that in there and you see them chunks, it's so good. It was good. You want to see it. And celery is real strong, so you do not need that much. It's very, very flavorful. to eating it with this at the Chinese restaurant. Okay, this is imitation crab meat. It just looks cute and it doesn't lose its shape and its color once you mix it up and do all of that. So since this is real crab meat, you know, it shreds like that, and it should be really good because I mixed that mozzarella in there that's going to be melted in between. Then we're going to throw some cheese on top too. So this is going to be prepped, ready, set, go, and this is just a start to what we got going on. That is real crab meat, honeys. It's literally real crab meat. You know how crab meat shred up. It's definitely real. It don't need no time in the oven. Maybe about, I'm gonna do it on 350 because I cook everything. Black people, they say cook everything on 350. So I'm gonna cook it on 350. And I'll probably cook it for like 20 minutes to let all the cheese melt. After that, my honeys, it's done. It's ready set to dip in. We use mozzarella cheese. That's how they serve it. I wish I had put more cream cheese in there too. But you can use regular cheese as well, my honeys. I'm gonna finish chopping this up, and this is what I'm gonna put on the top. This how it's looking, my honey. Ooh, that's a shrimp. So I don't like the fact that, well, I love the fact that it was real crab, but it just made it mushy. It didn't come out chunky and cheesy and all that, but it's still good. It's still good, and it tastes naturally real. I taste that celery, green onion. It's good though. So that was it for that portion, my honeys, and that's the casserole. I did end up letting it cook for longer than expected, like maybe 40 minutes, because it was still kind of mushy to me. But then I dug in it, and that's just the meat. The meat is so tender and good. But next time we're gonna do it just like the Chinese people, okay? But everything else is going, and yes, I will see my honeys on the next one. I know I look a mess, y'all. Bye, guys. Love you guys.